Welcome to another Fun-Keys lesson with Dani. This week we are learning the D major scale. By now you must know a lot about scales. You know, for example, that the C major scale starts on C, follows a straight path and finishes in C. You may know as well that the G major scale starts on G and follows a straight path almost until the end, where it shifts from E to F sharp and finishes in G. Well, this week we have a new scale, the D major scale. The C major had 0 black keys in it. The G major had 1 black key in it. It was F sharp. Today the D major scale has 2 black keys in it. They are F sharp again and C sharp. This means that on the D scale I cannot play F or C, nor F nor C. Instead I will play F sharp and C sharp. The scale goes like this: D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp and D. Again, we start with D. So we go D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp and finish with D again. Now let's play the D scale with the correct fingers from 1 to 5 and according to the fan sheet. Let's play 2 octaves of the D major scale with the right hand. We start with D, and we're going to start with the D that is just after the middle C. So D with number 1, E with 2. With number 3 we play F sharp. Now we go back to number 1 and play G. We got number 2 for A, number 3 for B. With number 4 we'll play C sharp, and we start all over again from the next D. So number 1 for D, number 2 for E, number 3 for F sharp, and we go number 1 again, G, A, B, C sharp, and we finish the scale on D with number 5. Those were 2 octaves. Now let's play 2 octaves with the left hand. Remember, we start on the D that is just before the middle C. Where is middle C? Here. Just before that one we have here D. So let's start with number 5, D, 4, remember F sharp with number 3, 2, 1, we go to number 3 now for B, we go to C sharp, number 2, 1, now we go to number 4 for E, F sharp, remember, 2, 1, 3, C sharp, and finish with D. Now once you learn how to play with one hand, and with the other hand, you can try and play with both hands once you practiced enough. you very much. Now go and practice your D major scale at home until you get it perfectly. Have a good week. Bye bye.